1. Obstacle-Avoidance Robot. Build a robot capable of navigating its environment and obstacles using sensors. 2. Line-Following Robot. Create a robot that follows a predefined path using sensors. 3. Gesture-Controlled Robot. Develop a robot that responds to hand gestures. 4. Voice-Controlled Robot. This is a robot that can be controlled through voice commands. 5. Robot Arm with Computer Vision. Construct a robot arm equipped with a camera for computer vision applications. 6. Quadcopter Projects. Learn about drone technology by building and programming a quadcopter. 7. Humanoid Robot. Build a robot that mimics basic human movements. 8. Maze-Solving Robot. Design a robot capable of solving mazes autonomously, incorporating algorithms like depth-first search. 9. Home Automation Robot. Develop a robot capable of performing household tasks, such as turning lights on or off. 10. Swarm Robotics. You can build multiple robots that can collaborate to achieve tasks like pattern formation, collective decision-making, space and underwater exploration.